Hi everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn 4 new scales. We're going to learn 2 new major scales and 2 new minor scales. We're going to learn F major and F minor and B major and B minor. The fingering for these scales is a little bit different than the fingering for all the other scales we learned before these. So let's learn some scales. The F major scale is F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So if we look at the fingerings, we'll notice that we start on 1 like we did before, 2, 3, but instead of swinging our 1 finger over, it says to go to 4. Let's take a look at that. So if we start on F, F, G, A. Now, I could swing my finger under, but that would be very awkward, right? This would be very awkward to get there. So it's easier to play 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to swing our 1 finger under. 1, 2, 3, and then ending on 4. Now, that's going to feel a little bit different than when we did C, right? Because C is 1, 2, 3, swing under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're used to most of our scales that we played so far ending on 5. But for the F, we're going to end on 4. So it's F, G, A, B flat with the 4 finger, swing under for that C, there you go, D, E, and we're going to end on F. No problem, on the 4 finger. And then coming down, it's the same thing. We want to start on the 4 finger, and then coming down, 3, 2, 1, and then swing that 4 finger over for the B flat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fun, right? Now for the left hand, you'll notice that the fingering is the same as all of our other previous scales were. So we're going to start on 5. So 5 on that F, G, A, B flat 2, C1, and then swing your 3rd finger over, 3, 2, 1, right? That's just like all our other scales were. And then going down, it's same, 1, 2, 3, swing that 1 finger under, 1, B flat is 2, 3, 4, 5. So no real changes there. Everything's fine. Okay, next we have B major. B major is B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and then B again. Wow. All right, so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharps, right? We learned C major, which has no sharps. And then we learned G major that has 1 sharp, that's F sharp. And then we learned D major, which has 2 sharps, which was F sharp and C sharp. And then we had A, which has 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Then we have E major, which has 4 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and then D sharp. And then now we have B major that has 5 sharps, has F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. For B major, fingering wise, it's the opposite of F major. So the right hand, we're going to use the same fingerings as the scales we learned before, okay? It's going to be 1 on the B, 1, 2, 3, swing that finger under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back down the same, 4, 3, 2, 1, swing over, 3, 2, 1, just like we did before, right? Aha, but the left hand is going to be different. The left hand starts on 4, on the 4 finger for B, and then it's going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 on the B, and then 3, 2, 1. Swing over that 4th finger again, but up to the F sharp. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back down, right? So 1 on the B again, and then 2, 3, 4. And then swing that 1 finger over to the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to end on 4. All right, F minor. We have some new notes here, right? F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F. Okay? And we'll notice that the fingerings, even though the notes are different than F major, the fingerings are the same for the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. So we'll start on F, 1, 2, and then E flat, 3, 4, and then swing that one finger over to C, 1, D flat, 2, 3, 4, ending on 4 again. And then back down, same thing, 4 finger on the F, right? And then back down, 3, 2, 1, swing that 4 finger over to B flat, A flat is 3, and then 2, 1. Excellent. All right, F minor in the left hand also has the same fingerings as F major in the left hand. So we're gonna do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try that. 5 finger on the F, 5, 4, and then A flat is 3, 2, 1. Swing that 3 finger over to D flat, E flat, F. And then same thing going back down, 2 on the E flat, and then 3, swing that 1 finger under to C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. All right, B minor. So we have B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. And we're going to see another similarity. The right hand for B minor is the same fingering as the right hand for B major, even though the notes are different. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try it. So we have B, 1 finger, and then 2 on the C sharp, 3, swing that 1 finger under, 1, there you go, and then 2 on the F sharp, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then same thing back down to the A, G, F sharp, E. Okay, swing that 3rd finger over, right? 3, and then 2, 1. Very good. Now for the left hand of B minor, it also has the same fingerings as the left hand of B major. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shall we try it? So we're going to start on the 4 finger, 4, okay, on that B, 3, 2, 1, and then swing that 4th finger over to F sharp, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And then going back down, same, 2, 3, and then 4 finger on the F sharp, swing the 1 under, and then 3, 4. And that is it, ending on 4. So we're going to practice these scales hands separately, okay, until you get them all memorized. Always practice scales very slowly at first. Okay, and also remember to sing while you play. So when you play your major scales, you're going to sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then when you sing the minor scales, you also want to try the do-based minor and the la-based minor. All right, so now for a little bit of practice. It says, write out these 4 scales going forward, up, using the appropriate accidentals. Okay, I need a handy dandy pencil. Okay, so F major. All right, we just learned that. We have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and then back to F. How about B major? We have B, and then C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, looks like hashtag, and then B. Okay, F minor, okay, different notes than F major, right? So we have F, and then G, and then A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, and then back to F. And then B minor, also different than B major, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, back to B. All right. Next, it says write out these 4 scales, okay, the same scales, going backward, going down, using the appropriate accidentals. Okay, so this is the top, and we're going to go backwards now. So for F major, going from going from F down to E, and then we have D, C, B flat, A, G, and then back to F. Okay, let's look at B major. We had a bunch of sharps there. So from B, below B was A sharp. Then we have G sharp. Then we have F sharp. And then we have E. Then it was D sharp below that. And then C sharp below that. And then back to B. Woohoo! That was a good one. All right, how about F minor? So going down from F, we have E flat. Then we had D flat below that. What's below that? We have C, and then B flat, and then A flat, and then we have G all the way back to F. Okay, very good. How about B minor? So starting on B and then going down, below B is the A, then we have G, F sharp, below that we have E, below E is D, C sharp, oops, and then finally back to B. Woo! Good job, everyone! So today we learned 4 more scales. We learned F major and F minor, and B major and B minor. And some of those scales had different fingerings than what we were used to before. So remember, practice all your songs and your scales, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!